Blah, blah, blah. Hello to the people. Hello to the new people. Hello to the people who are not very new. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do is, this isn't gonna be like anything else I've done. I'm just gonna be kind of oh no, I cannot swear yet. I'm gonna be floundering around today. So, right. This is a kind of a speed run, kind of a speed run. It's kind of poggers. But yeah, so something funny happened. There's a story behind what I'm doing. You might not know what I'm doing, but what I'm doing is coding, because haha, funny trans woman, he eat takis and code silly game. But yeah, so well, that's not supposed to happen, is it? People say I'm good to fall asleep to. I don't know what they mean. But yeah, so basically what is happening. So, okay, so I have a Discord server. Yeah, fun, swanky. And in that Discord server there is some moderators. They're very nice people. I like my moderators. They're very tasty. And they're all very silly girlies. And I wanted to do something. I'm very good at explaining things. You might not have never seen me You might have never seen me before. But yeah, I'm 640 Blood Puppy, also known as Bloppy, and I have a Discord now. But that is neither here nor there. What I'm here to do is Buppy. Yeah, I'm Buppy now. But yeah, basically what I'm doing is so one of my mods, Koso, I think is how you say her name. She was like, moderator cuddle pile when, and I thought, wouldn't it be funny if I simulated moderator cuddle pile? So this is moderator cuddle pile simulator. You may not be able to tell, but it's not finished yet. In fact, I started it when I pressed record. But if this isn't really, I don't normally do this kind of thing. If you like gaming and stuff, like watch one of my other videos. But what this is, it's basically, let's put this at 20. You get to listen to me ramble about random stuff. And I get to say whatever I want to. Yeah. Yeah, so basically we have not gotten into any coding yet. We are doing... Okay, so I'm making like the hitboxes and what I'm doing, because in Collecting Fusion there's this like movement preset, the bouncy ball, and if you're making like an enemy or a non-player or something that moves in general, you're probably gonna want to use it. So yeah. So this is what we all look like in real life, obviously. We're all red squares. Have you never been a red square before? Who cares? Oh yeah, speaking of the Discord from earlier, I forgot her name. Hold on, I need to go look at her name. Yixon. But yeah, speaking of the Discord server, something really cool happened. So the video that got me like the most traction was the White Knuckle video, where I speedran it. And then like a few days, or a few weeks even later, because I've made a few more videos since then, obviously, because my analytics are tanking tremendously, and I'm gonna cry. But yeah, on the Discord, I get a notification, and it's the absolute mad lad, Holly, the developer of White Knuckle. And in the video, I mentioned, piracy. I pirated it. And she sent me a Steam key to get it for free, but not in a dubious way. Hold on, let me save this and file. So yeah, and also she's kind of active in the Discord. Let's see how this looks. It did nothing. Oh, because I did it wrong. Okay. Collides with another object. Funny thing. That's wall, isn't it? Yeah. And that should work. Yay! And now the silly girls are bouncing around. I'm kind of gonna fix how the frame works and stuff. But yeah, it's gonna be like a very non-edited video, mainly because you have to keep consistent when uploading, and I can't really do that because my family is away doing stuff, and so I can't stay at home for too long. Because I'm actually supposed to be here to feed the cat or whatever. Not Koso. Koso is a cat girl, not a cat. My cat is a cat boy. Hold on, I need to turn on the funny. Yeah, that's the funny. Anyway, I did a lot of drawing today. Yay. But yeah, so, I don't know, I guess I do like the visible stuff now. Okay, so like sprite for 640 blood puppy player sprite. 28. Huh. I guess it should be like something tiny to represent me. 'Cause I'm so tiny. No, like 96. 128. There you go. That makes a little sense. How do I draw myself in Click Team? I have never drawn myself in Click Team before. That's a lie. I tried to recreate Spooky's Jumpscare Mansion in Click Team, except it was with myself. Okay, so this isn't actually me. There's like a template for all of them. So we're gonna do like a couple of walk cycles and a cuddle cycles, so that when they collide, they can cuddle, and they are so happy, and I'm so happy. It was weird. It was like because hyper empathy stuff, but like kind of hyper empathy stuff. I don't know. I've been doubting it sometimes, but today my friend got real happy because he can have a sausage roll, and he started making the happy noises, and I was so happy with him. I was like, yay, you go, boyo, you get your sausage roll. I think I'm gonna do like stick figure type stuff. Yeah. Actually, wait, no, I have their icons. There are the icons. I will shrink them down. All of my mods are now shrunk down. And they will be... No, they're too small. I'm sorry, mods. You've become too small and scrunkly. Hey, imagine if you went to heaven, but God said, you're so scrunkly. I would cry, I think. Okay, wait, no, we gotta organize our shit. Visual shit. Yeah. Always blah 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 blah. Bluffy, B, Churix, Koso, and then why? Why is Yixon called B4? Sorry, Yixon, you will forever be B4. Yeah. So position. Set my position to. Hey, let me zoom out. Oh no, relative is irrelevant. Set me position to my hitbox, and then just kind of duplicate that and edit it a little bit. B hitbox? B hitbox. Yeah! Accurate B hitbox. Accurate char hitbox. Accurate Koso hitbox. Hey Koso, how did it feel to marry John Lennon? I don't know if you'll get that. Do you listen to John Lennon over there in France? What if excuse me, oh my god, fuck off. I don't need physics. I only need head pats and face kisses. That's all a girl needs. Oh yeah, I've been getting comment recently. Oh no, well, duh, I always get comments. So what I'm saying is, every few videos, I'll get a comment from this one user and they say femboy under all of my videos. And I probably have mentioned it before, I don't know. What? Where are the other two? Where did they go? Hello? Where did they go? But yeah, they comment femboy under all of my videos, and I'm not mad, I don't know if I've made it clear, but I am indeed a trans woman. Oh my god, cannot believe it, who would have guessed? It's funny because watch my content, and then you will know. And I don't know if you mean it, where are they? Where are you? And I'm so sorry. Wait, why do they not have names? What? Hello? Yeah, oh, I'm stupid. I'm setting their positions to themselves. They say that trans girlies are really good at coding, but I think you should rethink that. The new saying should be, all trans girls, they're good at coding and they drink Monster, apart from Bluppy, because she's dead in the head. Because obviously I am. Look at what I've created. Obviously I am dead in the stupid puppy head. I don't know if like just listening videos do well, but I don't really care. I get to do whatever I want. Give me a dog bed. Ah yes, I've found cozy bedroom setting. Now to find one that isn't AI generated. Is that AI generated? It doesn't seem like it. Rain. Yes, rain. I like the rain. I like when it rains in bedroom. 'Cause that's really fun. Well, not when it rains in bedroom. It shouldn't be raining in anybody's bedroom. If it is, then you need to get a roof. I got no roof on my home, and it is raining in my room. I've got no roof on my home. That is a smaller image than I anticipated. 960, and then stretch it. Yeah. And we don't really need to set a marker, but whatever. Now, does that fit the scene? Yes, it does. I would totally hang out there. Look at them, they're cuddling. This is what cuddling looks like. You don't know because you've never been cuddled because you're stinky. And it's okay because they are all stinky as well. But yeah, so how I'm gonna spice this up. Okay, right? So all of them are gonna have a thing, a variable, or they're gonna have a couple. They're gonna have a happiness, hungry, and I don't know. gainness. That last one's not gonna do anything, so I'm just gonna set it to 100. Okay, so variables. Yeah. Okay, so no, I pressed too early because I'm so excited. Okay, so basically, multiple values. No, wrong. Okay, so every 0 point, no. I'm stupid. But you already knew that. I'm so dumb. But I know you like how dumb I am. I know you want me to be dumber, but I'm trying. Every day I spit out a brain cell and it lands in the sink, and I flush it down the sink, and I go, wow, I'm dumber now. But that's neither here nor there. So every 0.5 seconds we're gonna add one, or no, yeah, we're gonna add one to hunger, which means that every 50 seconds it should reach 100, and they will die. Yay. Oh, Hive has just messaged me. Hive is someone else on the server. You should know that. You really gotta get on this server. But, what is right? I'm making a video on Click Team Fusion. Can you not see? Click Team and yapping. But yeah, so, they get hungry, but what does that even mean? So, add one to hungry. Well, I guess it should be hunger instead of just variables. Okay, so that's under hunger, and then happy. And then every 0.50 seconds we take away one from, subtract from happiness, 1. Because every 1 second, or every half a second, you lose happiness. If there's a collision between them, that means that they cuddled, because that's what cuddling is. And so you alter the value, you add to it, I think 1 cuddle is 25 happiness, and also I want them to be faster when they're less happy, because it's like they're desperately searching for more happy. Because it's like science and stuff. If something, okay, so say there's like 3 particles, or no, right? No. Okay, so say these are particles. At the moment, so that was 1 collision, that's 2. So, see, they're colliding very slowly and very rarely colliding. But if they were all going really quickly, there's more chances that they can collide. So I want it that if they're slower, they are, or I guess it wouldn't be happiness, it would be neediness. How needy are they? Neediness. Yep, that makes more sense. And you should add 1 to neediness. And that should be subtract some from neediness. 25, I guess, is still fair. And then you're always gonna set the speed of them to the neediness. Yeah. So they should get faster when they're more needy, which means they... Oh. Oh no. I have spotted an issue. Okay, right. So, okay, no, we're gonna make like a minimum and maximum neediness. Sorry, I have water here. I should be drinking it. Oh, whoa. That's so weird. I don't feel scratchy anymore. Anyway, if it's lower than... Okay, so the minimum is gonna be like 5, because 5 is pretty slow. If it's below 5, then set neediness to 5. And if it is greater than 100, then set it back to... Well, no, I guess... Wait, haha, 64, that's the funny number, 64. Okay, so... They're moving around, and when they cuddle, they get slow again because they're happy. They're so happy that they just have to walk so slowly to appreciate their happiness. Us three collided. I cuddled Yixon and Koso, me and B, and then me, and then... No. I don't know why, but watching this just makes me really happy. It's like, yay, my moderators are cuddling. I don't know why. It just sounds stupid, but I promise you it's not. Oh yeah, I added hunger. So, okay, there's gonna be like treats and shit. Okay, so there's gonna be... I guess treat hitbox. That should be a thing. Treat. Give me a treat. It's gonna be static, so this is not moving. I'm gonna put this up here. And so that's just the hitbox, so it's not gonna be visible. But then up here on like the visuals bit, I'm gonna draw a treat. Yippee! 64, 64. No, how big is a treat? I don't know. We'll give them all treats the size of their bodies because they're such good girls. Yeah, I'm guessing there isn't many new people like at this point. So I just get to be my unfiltered Puppygirl self. It is a bone. Yeah, I don't know what treat looks like. I know it has holes in it. Why does the treat have holes in them? It just feels sad. It just feels like you're getting less treat. How would I know? Well, you're thinking too hard, aren't you? Get stupid. You know what? I'll do some shading. Bleh. This isn't really shading so much as it is just doing outlines and stuff. But I don't know, it might look good. Oh, that does not look good. But it will look good once I do some highlights. Once I get some highlights in my hair. Well, now it's just shiny, it's a shiny bone. No, we want the bone to be matte. This is matte to the bone. No, it does not work. No dancing bone. This bone will be forever still and forever sad. No, this bone will be happy. This is the bone of happiness. Okay, so bone. So what I want to do is like so the bone, when it gets eaten, their hunger is restored, and then the bone, and then a new bone appears in a new place. So it's going to be like but it's going to be the same bone. It's like an illusion. Set X coordinates. So, okay, so the random range in Click Team, you're going to be using it a lot if you're making simulations and shit. Okay, so set it anywhere from 0 to 960, because 960 is how wide the frame is. And then you're gonna set the Y position to... anywhere from 0 to 640. Haha, that's still a funny number. I love the number 640. Oh yeah, also, the bone actually or the treat actually has to follow the hitbox, so, you know, treat. Collision between... Okay, I guess this goes under hunger. Collision between player and treat hitbox. So you subtract, I think, 25 from hunger, maybe. Yeah. And then reset the position to a new place. How's that go? Oh, the treat is up there. I wonder who will get it first. Oh, they're all cuddling. Of course Koso gets it. And then B gets... No, she doesn't. Oh my god, plot twist. Oh my god, it's Yixen gets the bone. And then... Wow. Oh. Wait, why did they bounce off the Why did they bounce off the bone? Oh, it's because it's, there's a qualifier on it. Or whatever it's called. I don't know, are they called qualifiers? Is it called qualifier? Yes, they are. Oh my god, I'm such a game developer. I don't know, we're gonna call this food. Yeah, good. Good food. Good means good food. And so now they should not bounce off of it. Yeah. Bone is now there. Ooh. Hold on. Okay, so... Okay, I have a fun idea. So, okay, I want more bones to spawn sometimes. How about whenever a bone is eaten, a bone spawns? I think that could be quite funny. Funny, 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 funny. Create object. Bone or treat. I keep calling it bone. There. And then do the same but for the... No. I gotta retry that. Create bone. There. And then do that. Okay. Who knows what's gonna happen? Not me. I don't know anything. Oh, there are 2 bones now. Oh, there's 4. Oh, wow. Who would have knew? Oh. Okay, so the hitboxes are teleporting, but the bone isn't. So I'm gonna get rid of that because it didn't work. And when something doesn't work, you just give up. I'm a very good game dev. Hold on. I don't know, I might stop here. Not like permanently, it's because I can only record for a certain amount of time. I want it so that when I want you. No, okay. Oh. Okay, I have an idea for the visual shit. Okay, I'll just duplicate that because I don't know how to fit it in with the other ones. So, direction, select, no, so sad. I don't know what I do. I don't know what to do. I will never do it again, I swear. I don't know, I kind of have to leave now. Wow. Well, I'll leave you with Moderator Cuddle Pile Simulator version 2. The first version is different. But yeah, I'll add more to this tomorrow and the day after. That's what you have to look forward to. You silly girls. Okay, love you, bye.